All right, so we just got in a BMW M3. The customer somehow blew up his motor. It's leaking oil everywhere. It actually leaked on the floor here. I actually moved it. Now it's on these wheel dollies, which I'll show you that they're really easy with two people. Not one, but one person can still do it. So I'll show you. I'm gonna spin this car around just so you can see it.
Wow.
And that was that. It took one person, but if it's two, then I don't have to go back and forth. But that's how you spin the car around with the wheel dolly.